You have already designed your automation project in the Concept and Design tool, CDT for short, and new requirements requires change on your project. In this use case, you will learn how to make changes in your project and access the configurators of the industry mall. Suppose you need a power supply for the US market for your OS server. However, before you can make changes in the plant structure, you must enable the Edit mode. Now, select the industry PC in your OS server hardware and click on the configurator icon. The configurator of the mall is opened and shows you the configuration of your industrial PC currently stored in the project. Here, you can make the changes directly. In our case, please scroll down to the power supplies and select the option for the US market. By clicking on the button Continue to CDT, you transfer the new configuration to the CDT. The change has been made and can be recognized by the adapted MLFB for the industrial PC. By displaying a stylized person at the beginning of the line, the CDT indicates that a manual change has been made here. Only for industrial PCs and CPUs can changes be made with the support of the industry mall configurators. In the next scenario, you will learn how to adjust the number of your process objects, POs for short, for your automation system. To do this, select the corresponding CPU in the plant structure and click on the Configuration button. In the configurator, select the System Expansion card. Select the option for 1000 PO because a higher number of POs is required. By clicking on the button Continue to CDT, you transfer the new change configuration to the CDT. This change is also indicated by the changed MLFB, as well as the display of the stylized person. Since changes were already made to the CPU in advance, the stylized person could already be seen. What do you do if you need another CPU type instead of the existing CPU? First, open the search window by clicking on the plus button. If you enter the term CPU in the search window, all components that are assigned to this term are displayed. In this example, however, we know the MLFB of the CPU and insert the new CPU into the project using the Add Product button. To delete the old CPU that is no longer needed, click the appropriate trash can icon. Deleted components that have been added automatically by the system are no longer listed in the BOM itself, but are still visible in Edit mode. This ensures that changes can be traced and, if necessary, reversed. Next, we will replace the Skylance X208 network component with the Skylance X308 component. To do this, first select the Skylance X208 and click on the plus button. Now change the category to Ethernet network. This time, we will use the specific type designation 308 to search. Since we see exactly the component we are looking for, you can add it to your project using the Add Product button. The newly inserted components are automatically marked as manually added. In the last step, delete the Skylance X208 that is no longer needed by clicking on the trash icon. As a final scenario, we replace an existing OS client computer with a third-party client computer. Select the computer in the OS client hardware plant structure and click on the plus button. Then, switch to the Custom Components tab and enter the product name, the product description, and the order code of the new computer, as well as the price in the corresponding fields. By clicking on the Add Third Party button, you end the process and take over the computer into your project. The new client is displayed in the BOM, and the price is taken into account in the cost calculation. Now delete the client that is no longer needed. In this use case, you have learned from practical examples how to make adjustments and changes to the plant structure by using the Concept and Design tool with an up-to-date BOM. With the Concept and Design tool, your process control system architecture is perfectly designed.